Hey Noah, I looked at your assignment and it looks like you still might be a little confused, so I thought I'd make you a quick video here. It looks like you've done activity 1 correct, which is great. But let's go ahead and look at what you were supposed to do for activity 2. It says right here to read the Google Slides titled Cell Organelles and Their Functions. Using these slides, fill in the function of each organelle in the function column below. So you filled in some information, but not all of the information. I'm going to go ahead and try to find the PowerPoint that it's talking about, cell organelles and their functions. Now, if I scroll down and I find the first organelle, the cell wall, it describes what the function is. The function is what's the job? What job does this organelle provide for the whole cell? Now it tells me here that the cell wall surrounds the plant cell and maintains cell shape and structure. That is what you are supposed to type right here. So right here in this box, it should say it surrounds the cell and maintains the cell shape and structure. So you're going to want to go through organelle by organelle, and whatever you see here in black, that's what goes in the function column. That's how you do activity 2. Now let's talk about activity 3. It says read through the Google Slides titled Cell Organelle Analogies. That's a different PowerPoint. Using these slides, you will cut and paste the picture of each analogy in the analogy column. Now, just so you know, an analogy is kind of like a comparison. It compares two different things to help us understand those things a little bit better. So here in this cell organelle activity, it compares each organelle to an everyday object. Like in this video, it's comparing a cell wall to a brick wall. Why? Well, because the cell wall provides the shape and structure and support for the cell. It holds the cell all together. The same is true with a brick wall. It provides structure and support for the cell. So since I'm comparing a cell wall to a brick wall, I should have the picture of the brick wall right here when it looks like you have it down here. So make sure that you read through this PowerPoint and you put the correct objects over here. Notice right here it also says to watch the video on Google Classroom. I highly recommend that you do that. Right here it says Cell Organelle Analogies YouTube video. If you watch this video, you'll get to hear me tell you a little bit more about each analogy. And that way it'll make them a little bit less confusing. So go ahead and do those things, Noah, and when you're done, you can resubmit your assignment. Please let me know if you have any questions.